Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real of the real. Now, we've all heard of counteractions and remix to songs, but this one by Chozen, it was very unique. He took it a step further with his song Bawl Out, and no, it's not remixed to Dovey Magnum. Here's a clip of that.
Me show love cause I got in on me. Words of wisdom busting on me. Lead me and lead greatness in on me. No lack God provide for me. Lord God, oh you want so good. You shame the devil, me know you're good. Me can't hold it. Jesus, me can't hold it. You name me a baller. I be killing me a ficalo.
As you can see, it has a very positive message, but not everybody take it so positive. That song was banned from Jamaican Airways due to its original song and of course the meaning behind that song. Now, we all love Dovey Magnum's Bawl Out, but sure, we didn't expect a gospel song to come out. Barrington Levy was shot by accident a couple of days ago. Sources say it was an accidental shot which hit him in his back, but he's reported to be okay. Banton will release at the end of December, but ABC News decided to leak an alleged video in him in a drug deal. It posed many questions of why they released the video, knowing that he had already served the 10 years. Tommy Lee was released from jail a couple days ago. The judge demanded him to be released if there was no probable cause against him. Last Sunday, Spice had a launch in her Women Empowerment Foundation. It was a full house. Some of the attendees were Davina Bennett, Lisa Hanna, and Cecile. Spice also was moved by a story by a young girl named Abigail, and she awarded her $300,000 for her school fee. That is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.